Hi, today we will be discussing about acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. The formula for acceleration is change in velocity over time taken. If something is accelerating, it means that its velocity is changing. Acceleration is a vector quantity. It has a size and a direction too. SI units meter per second square. Let's understand the concept of acceleration through the board problem. We will be taking two scenarios for the board problem. The first scenario, if the board is going in forward direction and you open up the throttle, it accelerates in the same direction you are already going in. The acceleration vector points forward. Suppose this is the board. You open up the throttle a little bit. There will be some acceleration in the forward direction. If you open up the throttle a lot, there will be more acceleration. Second scenario, if the board is going in the forward direction and you drop the anchor, the boat will decelerate. You can think of it as the acceleration is the opposite direction from the one it's already traveling in. Its acceleration vector points backward. So if this is the boat, you drop the anchor, acceleration vector will point backwards. Let's understand the directions of velocity vector, acceleration vector through some different scenarios. First scenario, the boat is traveling in forward direction and you open up the throttle. This is the boat. Since the boat is traveling in the forward direction, the velocity vector will point in the forward direction. You open up the throttle, that means the boat will accelerate in the same direction it is currently moving in. So the acceleration vector will also point in the forward direction. Second scenario, the boat is drifting backwards and you open up the throttle. So the boat is drifting backwards. So the velocity vector will point in the backward direction. Open up the throttle. The boat will accelerate in the forward direction only. Why? Because no matter what, the engine always accelerates the boat forward, regardless of what the boat is currently doing. Third scenario, the boat is going in the forward direction and you drop the anchor. Since the boat is moving in the forward direction, velocity vector will point in the forward direction. You drop the anchor. The anchor always opposes what the boat is currently doing. So the boat will decelerate. The acceleration will point in the backward direction. First scenario, the boat is going in the backward direction. You drop the anchor. Since the boat is moving in the backward direction, the velocity vector will point in the backward direction. You drop the anchor, that means the boat will decelerate. That is, the boat will accelerate in the opposite direction from its current velocity. So the acceleration vector will point in the forward direction. Suppose there is a duck which is moving right to left and it has just hit the edge. So there is a point in which there is a duck. It's moving right to left, so the velocity vector will point towards left direction. It has just hit the edge. That means the duck will decelerate. So the acceleration vector will point in the forward direction. Let's summarize what we have learned today. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. It's a vector quantity. It has a size and a direction. SI units meter per second square. Deceleration. Deceleration is the acceleration which is opposite to the direction in which the body is currently moving. That's all for today. If you have any queries or you need help, please comment below. Thank you.